Hey gang, this is my mom. Mom, say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
So I got some hair from Temu and we're gonna check it out today. I have baskin lather in the front to protect the edges, and then I have ORS olive oil on the top. And the hair is a lace front. This is synthetic. It comes with a net on it. So you take the net off, take the packaging out. You will want to cut your lace to your hairline. And you're also going to need a makeup brush and some makeup or concealer because you're going to want to color that in. This is a number 1 black. So first thing we're going to do is put our stocking cap on. This is a no glue method, so you don't need any glue. All you need is edge control and your makeup. I'm going to use Maybelline Dream Matte Mousse to color your stocking cap and a makeup blender. And you should be able to see right where your lace is. That's where you want your makeup to go. Alright, now that we got our stocking cap done, it's time to slip on the wig.
I ain't got to be there at 11:30. Is you going with me tomorrow?
Yeah, I can go. Alright, what I'm going to do for the video is I'm going to tuck the lace in because she's not actually going to wear this until the wedding. So, as y'all know, Bree is getting married June the 7th. And so we're trying out these hairstyles. Alright, Bree requested a bob. If this is too long for mom, we may have to cut it. Alright, we're going to pull that down in the front. And it's raised up a little bit in the front because, you know, we tucked the lace. But that will be okay. We're going to turn around and we're going to take our foundation. We're going to take a little brush and we are going to mimic skin on the lace in the middle. You could do this with concealer. You could do it with a liquid. I just happen to have the mousse on hand. If you get it on the hair, you can remove it. You use a makeup wipe, a puff, whatever you need. Alright, now check that length out, mommy dear, and let me know if this is too long, if I need to cut it.
Yeah, that's going to be too long for me.
That'll be too long for you? For one night?
I'm going to wear it down like this. I don't know. It looks all right. I just ain't used to having it this long. You know, my real hair used to be this long, and
Yeah.
I was younger.
Yeah.
So I don't know how I'm going to look with this hair this long.
And so this is curly hair, y'all, so you can puff it up.
Bree may not like it.
Bree might not like it. Well, I'm going to show her the video, so. But you definitely want to separate your curls a little bit to make sure your tracks are showing, you know, when you're wearing it. And because this is a master mix, it's going to poof up naturally anyway. You can use mousse. Literally, I just use like a little water, brush it down, and put it back in the stocking cap overnight. I think it's cute. Look in the camera. Look far away in the camera. I think that's cute.
Yeah, it look better that way, going back that way.
That is cute. I like it.
Yeah, it look all right.
Okay, turn to the side. Let them see you on the side. This is the length. It's shoulder length, you guys. Okay, turn to the other side. Let me adjust the camera. Yeah, I like it. I think it's cute. And then, you know, of course, you can put, you know, like hair clips in it if you want to or whatever. You can style it up. You can dress it up. But I like it. I think it's cute. So I will show the daughter the video. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. Now, on the day of or the day before the wedding, you know, we'll size it and cut the lace and all that. It does have little clips in the back so that you can tighten the wig up if you need to. This is from Temu, and I will put all of the details in the description box.
Yeah, I ain't gonna be able to see my earrings at Bree bought. Bree bought me some earrings.
Well, y'all, I guess we're gonna be tucking this behind the ear because she said she want her earring. See, look at that. That's cute. Tuck behind your ear.
Yeah, that's it.
That's
it's
it.
Cute, but it ain't gonna stay right there.
Oh, it is. All you need is some hairpins. Girl, we're gonna have you hooked up. Don't worry.
So when I get ready to go over to the church, you gonna already be there. So I'm going to already have this on my head.
We're gonna hook you up.
Because I don't know what time you going over there.
I don't know. Whatever time she says. Whatever time she says.
Because I got to check in at 3.
You got to check in at 3? That's what she said?
No, not at the wedding.
Oh, at the hotel.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright, guys. That is it for the wig. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. I like the style. And we're going to get the lace cut and all that kind of stuff. And you will be able to see us on the 6th and the 7th for the pre-ceremony to the wedding. So I will see y'all then. Peace.